All right, financial math classes. Continuing on with our vehicle cost lessons. Today we're going to talk about the dealer's costs for what they are paying for new vehicles. So let's look at vocab. So the dealer's cost is the price the dealer pays for a vehicle, usually expressed as a percent of the base price, plus a percent of the options, plus the destination charge. The benefit for the consumer knowing this information is that it just gives them one more piece of information to help them negotiate. Uh, cars are one of the things that you can negotiate down a price. Um, and the more information you have, the better off you can be with negotiations. So let's look at the math behind this. So we have Lisa and Thomas. I gotta move some stuff here. Lisa and Thomas are buying a minivan that has a base price of 22,510. Options total 8,062, and the destination charge is $770. The dealer's cost is estimated to be 91% of the destination of the base price and 88% of the option. So, um, important stuff for us to know here. Obviously, the prices. So we have the base price and the options and the destination charge. But then we want to know the dealer's cost of the base price and their percentage for the option. So, part A, the sticker price of the vehicle. This was from the last lesson. To find the sticker price, you need to just add everything together. So, part A, it's just going to be, so for the sticker, it's the 22,510 plus 8,062 plus 770. So the sticker price, when we do that, let me add this together. So 22,510, missed the one, 22,510 plus 8,062 plus 770. This comes out to 31,342. So sticker price 31,342. Find the dealer's percent of the base price. So part B, color code a little bit. We'll do this in a different color. So part B, they're paying 91% of the base price. So I need to change that percent to a decimal. And then I multiply it times just the base price, the 22,510. So 0.91 times 22,510. This comes out to $20,000, 20,000, 484 and 10 cents. So 24, 8, 4, 10. Part C. What is the dealer's cost on option? So I'm going to do the 88% of the 8,062. So change your percent to a decimal. So that's going to be 862. So 0.88 times 8,062. That comes out to $7,094.56. 7,094 dot 7,000. Okay, let me write that again. 7,094 56. Was the estimated dealer's cost. So part D, the estimated dealer's cost. You need to add together what you got for C. So 20,484 10. And you are going to add in the dealer's cost on the options. So that's going to be the 7,094.56. And then the last one you need to add in is the destination charge. So the dealer is going to put that on. So plus, let me total all this up. 48410 plus 770. So this comes out to 348 and 66 cents. So here's just so we understand what all this is. Uh, so we have what uh the sticker price. So this is what they're asking the consumer to pay, 31,342. Their cost is 28,348. So that's only a $3,000 difference. Um, so they're not making a huge amount of money on the sale of a new vehicle here. So let's look at the next example. So Kim Lee is buying a sedan that has a base price of 24,827. The option is sold at $1,242 and the destination charge is $970. The dealer's cost is 90% of the base, 85% of the price of options. What is the sticker price? So part A, sticker price, we are going to add the base price plus the um, options plus the destination charge. So 24,827 plus 1242 plus 970. This comes out to 20,000 or 27,000. Is that right? Yeah, okay. $27,039. So this one, 27,000. I wrote, I said 39, but wrote 37. It is 39. What is the estimated dealer's cost? So I need to find the dealer's. So part B, I need to do the percent of the base. So 90% of the base, I'm going to do 90%. What the heck? What the heck happened? Okay, there we go. So 90%. Okay, I guess I just won't. Wow. Okay. 90% of the base price. So 90% of the base. So 90% times 24,827. So 24,827 times point 0.9. This comes out to 22,000 $344.30. Then I need to do the percent of the options. So 80% of the options or 85%. So change that percent to a decimal times 1242. So 0.85 times 1242. That comes out to 1,055.70. Then I'm going to one more thing, the destination is 970. And then to find all this, I'm just going to add these all together. So when I add these all together, so 7 plus 970 plus 22, 344.30. This all comes out to 24,370. So 24,370. What will Kim pay if he can buy a vehicle for $20? It's not 20, $200 over the dealer's cost. So to find part C, real simple, you just take that dealer's cost we just found, add $200 to it. So that's going to be 24,570. All right. And that will do it for today. Um, on the assignment, make sure you're paying attention. Change the percents to decimals here. all these percents and you change to decimal, you can enter it in the calculator exactly like this. So 25,000 times 0.85 plus 2,200 times 0.88 plus, you can enter all in here to get the dealer's cost. And then these are going to be more like what we did. So that will do it for today. Next time we're talking about purchasing a used vehicle.